Today's episode of Random Idea. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing, if you haven't already, and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now let's get started. I think we're gonna have an incredible Cybertruck product for you next year. It's gonna blow your mind. The battery is like the beating heart of an EV. It accounts for approximately 30 to 40% of the cost of an electric vehicle, as well as the brainchild of Elon Musk's Cybertruck, will be a pickup truck that crushes other EVs in its class with its particularly terrifying battery pack. What's so special about Cybertruck's battery? Where was this battery pack made, and moreover, what are the signs that Cybertruck will go into production in 2023? Let's find out in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started with today's content. In Tesla's third quarter of 2022 earnings call, Elon noted that the Semi does not use the 4,680 cells right now, and the Cybertruck will be given priority to use this cell. We see the Model Y is equipped with a 75 kilowatt-hour battery, the 4,680 cell pack. The Model Y needs 830 cells, so the Cybertruck's 200 kilowatt-hour battery pack will need to use 3 battery packs, which means 490 cells to deliver 1 million Cybertrucks in advance. 2.5 billion 4,680 cells are required, but fret not, because this is well within Tesla's ability. So 4,680, we are making a decent number every week. Tesla executives noted that the battery ramp is actually going well. The total of the 4,680 cells produced tripled in the third quarter. The focus now is cost and further expanding production in North America. It's looking good, Musk said. So where will this battery pack be manufactured? Tesla ultimately planned to build the Cybertruck in Austin at Gigafactory, Texas. However, the battery cells and cell pack manufacturing are not yet ready to take off at Giga, Texas. Tesla applied to build a battery and cathode manufacturing building at Giga, Texas earlier this year, and while the project has been started, it will likely not be ready for the Cybertruck's projected launch in mid-2023. With an extensive order log that features over 3 million total reservations, Tesla is preparing for Cybertruck manufacturing by building the battery packs at a plant that is already operational, the FREMONT facility, the only Tesla plants manufacturing all 4 vehicles that the company builds. Cybertruck battery pack lines are being installed on the second floor of the FREMONT factory, with Tesla nearing potential testing phases shortly, utilizing 4,680 cells from Cato Road and from suppliers like Panasonic. As Cybertruck manufacturing ramps up into late 2023 to 2024 and beyond, packs will be at Giga, Texas, which would likely support Cybertruck production entirely. So how powerful is this battery pack on Cybertruck? The Cybertruck's silent roar and postmodern design can be deceiving, in that it doesn't give off an impression of power. Nevertheless, this truck packs enough power to move at a top speed that rivals a modern Lamborghini. The single-motor Cybertruck is a rear-wheel drive option with a top speed of 110 miles per hour and respectable 0 to 60 acceleration of 6.5 seconds. It has a 100 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, good for 250 or more miles of continuous driving. Fast charge time at a 250-watt supercharged station for the single-motor Cybertruck takes approximately 22 minutes. That's how long it'll take to charge from 10 to 80%. However, the charge speed plummets as it nears 100%. But it's better than charging to full capacity at home, since it takes 10 hours and 45 minutes to do so. The all-wheel drive dual-motor Cybertruck has a motor for the rear wheels and one for the front wheels. It has a governed max speed of 120 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour more than the single-motor version, and can whip up to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The two-motor design can upgrade the battery pack to 120 kilowatt-hours, giving you over 300 miles of range on a single charge. Fast charge time at a 250-watt station is modestly more time-consuming than the single Motor version at 27 minutes, and that's judging at 10 to 80% charge. It takes roughly 13 hours to charge with an 11 kilowatt at-home wall connector. The triple motor Cybertruck supplies 2 rear motors and 1 front motor for top speeds of 130 miles per hour and an insane 0 to 60 of only 2.9 seconds.